1 in 34 children in the United States have symptoms of autism. That's one of the shocking findings of a report brought by the Make America Healthy Again, or MAHA movement. The MAHA Commission report focuses on chronic health issues among children in the United States and comes out with some stark challenges. The 68-page report released in the White House essentially identifies several key factors contributing to the rise in chronic illnesses among children in the United States. The commission, headed by Health Secretary Robert Kennedy Jr., was mandated to bring out a report in President Trump's exclusive order in February, and it highlights some big concerns.
More than 40% of American children now have at least one chronic health condition. Since the 1970s, rates of childhood cancer have soared in many cases by nearly 50%, 50%. Well, in the 1960s, less than 5% of the children were obese. Now over 20% are obese.
In a social media post, President Trump focused in particular on the explosion in autism among American children. He highlighted numbers going up from 1 in 10,000 in the 1970s to 1 in 34 today. Health Secretary Kennedy has hopped on many of these issues listed in the report for months in public appearances, especially around ultra-processed food and obesity. It sparks of dietary concerns of ultra-processed foods making up nearly 70% of children's calorie intake. This is linked to increased rates of obesity, diabetes, and other chronic conditions. It also raises alarm about children's exposure to environmental toxins, including pesticides, lifestyle factors, including behavior as well. Excessive screen time and chronic stress are raised.
There's something wrong, and we will not stop until we defeat the chronic disease epidemic in America. We're going to get it done. It just doesn't stop with the children. It's our population also, such as the ultra-processed foods, over-medicalization and over-prescription and widespread exposure to potentially toxic chemicals.
Based on the findings of the report, the MAHA Commission is expected to deliver a comprehensive strategy by August this year. It will outline policy recommendations to address the identified health challenges.
This is a milestone. There's never in American history has the federal government taken a position on public health like this. And because of President Trump's leadership, it's not just one cabinet secretary, it's the entire government that is behind this report.
There is also a strong political dimension to the MAHA report. Getting it through Congress is not likely to be easy given the wealthy lobbies behind food, pharmaceuticals, and chemical companies. Congressional lawmakers have already been bombarded by calls from lobbyists wary of action. Is there some way to go till real action is reached on the ground? Well, we'll have to wait and see.
And because of President Trump's leadership, it's not just...
For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.